Today I am introducing DJI Osmo Nano, designed to fit into a coin pocket or hang almost weightlessly on a lanyard. Following the success of the Pocket 3, a Nano version would likely keep a high-quality sensor for great low-light performance. DJI's signature mechanical stabilization shrunk down to its most minimal size to eliminate camera shake. Using Active Track 7.0, the 2026 standard, to keep you in frame even if the camera is tucked away in a corner. To have a professional-grade camera that feels like you aren't carrying a camera at all. It's for the impromptu creator who wants better quality than a smartphone without the bulk of a rig. A thumb-sized gimbal unit that can be detached from its handle. It utilizes a high-strength magnetic mounting system, similar to the Action series, but refined for a much smaller 3-axis gimbal. A wraparound OLED screen that gives you 360-degree feedback, ensuring you're in frame whether the camera is facing you or away. It offers stabilization accuracy of $PM 0.005 / Despite its tiny size, the motors are high torque, allowing the gimbal to stay steady even during light runs or on a moving bike. It uses pixel binning technology to capture clean footage in dim environments, like a late-night cafe or a street walk. It supports 10-bit D-Log-M, giving editors the same color grading flexibility found on the Mavic 3 Pro or the Inspire 3. If you set the Nano on a table, the AI will automatically crop and pan within the 4K frame to follow your movement, making it look like a human is operating the camera. You can tell the Nano to start tracking, take a selfie, or follow my hands for unboxing videos. It captures high-resolution footage with a 143 degrees ultra-wide field of view, perfect for first-person POV shots. For professional creators, it provides a high dynamic range, 13.5 stops, allowing for advanced color grading. You can mount it on the magnetic headband or chest pendant to get hands-free, eye-level footage that looks professional but feels natural. The dock features a 1.96-inch OLED touchscreen. It doesn't just show you what you're filming, it also acts as a remote control when the camera is mounted elsewhere. Combined with the Vision dock, you get up to 200 minutes of total recording.